Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we've got some beautiful stew chicken. This is one of those very easy recipes that you can leave to cook. So first we're starting out with 1 kg of chicken legs. I got mine from the butcher's. Then I'm adding in some salt, black pepper and some various seasonings. So we've got powdered garlic, we've got powdered ginger, we've also got some all-purpose and paprika in there too. For the fresh ingredients, we've got some garlic, we've got some spring onion, bell pepper and some purple onion. Guys, try your best not to skip the fresh ingredients because it's quite essential for this recipe. Then I'm just adding in a splash of oil to help all of those seasonings come together. In a large pan, I'm adding in some oil and then I brown the edges of the chicken. And I'm just pouring in the remainder of the fresh ingredients in that bowl that was marinating with the chicken. Give this all a really good mix, and then I'm just throwing in a couple tablespoons of browning, some tomato paste, and I've got deep dark brown sugar, also known as molasses, and then I mix this again. In your fresh thyme, followed by a stock cube. I'm using a chicken Maggi stock cube, but you can use what you have. Then I'm adding in my scotch bonnet. You can add in the scotch bonnet at a later time if this is more useful, because sometimes it gets lost literally in the sauce. I've topped this up with water, bring it to a boil, then turn it down to simmer, and then I've cooked this for about 40 minutes. Now I'm adding in some potato, and then I cook for another 25 minutes extra so that the sauce can thicken up with the potato a bit. But guys, I just want to make sure that the length or the duration you cook the chicken is dependent on the size of the chicken that you have. So sometimes it's just a guide. And now I'm just adding in some fresh parsley. And that's pretty much the recipe completed. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!